can I get a bit more microphone? Yes. It all began as a joke. I was born. My mother and father were having fun. They created something biologically. 9 months later, Sally Moses was born. I did my nursery, my primary, secondary, and then that was the end of my university. My primary was in Agakhan. Those days they used to call it Kampala Primary. My secondary, I went to Kitante Hill School. It was a day school, and it's still a day school. That is O level, senior 1 to senior 4. In my senior 5, I went to Makerere College Where. I did PCM for my A level. Yes. I guess this may come as news, but that's true. I was so good at physics, so good with maths, and fairly good with the rest of the subjects. So I chose PCM for my A level. But unfortunately, from my senior 1 up to senior 4, I had a career. I was a soccer player first of all. I loved soccer, but at the same time I was a singer. One of those times there were teachers teaching us about technology, teachers telling us about development of the country, teachers giving us a direction during the lessons we were having in O level. So one of those directions was technology. So I used to ask myself, how do you apply technology in soccer, or how may technology affect my future if I chose music? So the teacher was like, no, technology won't help you when it comes to soccer, but it will help you if you go with music. So ladies and gentlemen, I made my decision in my senior 3 to permanently become a musician. I used to sing in schools, I used to sing on villages, parties for free. Music those days was not a field that was respected by Ugandans. Omuntu we yatandikanga okuyimba bagambanga nti ayonoonese. On top of that, I come from a political family, one that believes in education, nothing else. My father, Honorable Jabiri Bidandi Sali, you could not stand in front of him and tell him your career that is chosen is music. But I did. But at the same time, I went ahead with my books. I did my senior 5, and going to senior 6, my performance was so poor because I was the entertainment prefect at Makerere College School. I was the prep prefect at Makerere College School. During the day, I do a lot of happiness with the school, and in the night, I'm the guy walking around all the classes, so I never had time to read. So they brought back a few points for me, and I made a decision. I said, you know what? I think I must go for my destiny. I went back to class and I asked the teacher, 2 months ago you were talking about self-employment. What's the meaning of self-employment? The teacher took some time, explained to me what self-employment meant. I asked him, if I'm a singer, do you think I qualify to be self-employed? The teacher told me, yes, you'll be the first person to be considered. as a self-employed person. I said, okay, cool. Because Bebe Cool never likes to be told what to do. That doesn't happen. Bebe Cool doesn't want to wake up in the morning. No, I didn't lie. So I told my teacher, with this quality, what can I do in life? He told me, you know what? Make sure you're the boss of your own self.